Hello there, I am Tugustu Zariul. This is my channel. Motivate me, support me by subscribing my channel. I'll continue to for advantage and disadvantage of network. Every technology have a benefit, so yes. Beside the benefit, it's have also disadvantage. But even though it's have a disadvantage or hindrance, we have not to use we have not stopped to use the technology. We have to use the technology because the advantages highly over than the disadvantage that we have to use the technology also. Let's first see two for one the advantage of network. There are more advantages to a network than disadvantages. It says there are more advantages. That's why we have to use the technology, even though it's have a disadvantage. It highly overdone the disadvantage. The advantage is highly overdone the disadvantage that we have to use the technology. In fact, many companies today would not exist without accessing some form of network. Below are the advantage of network. We have a standalone computer, we have a computer network. In fact, it says many companies today will not exist without accessing some form of network. Even in a network, it says think about a standalone computers. We need computers in all fields. It is a ubiquitous machine. Standalone computer, a computer without a connection, without a network. When you come to most companies, 21st century technology era, most companies work in over the network. How they can exchange? Think about the banks. There are in a particular city, there are branches of banks. How can they work? These many companies today would not exist without accessing some form of network. May not exist. You must have a network. You must have a connection between them. Below are the advantages of a network. Sharing data and information. If we have a network, why we establish a network? For the case of sharing data and information. It's possible to share data, it's possible to share information. One of the biggest advantage of network is sharing data and information between each of the devices on the network. At the nearby or at the far distance, possible to share or to send or receive information nowadays. Thanks to the technology, there is a network possible to share, possible to receive. In addition, networks allow accessing the data which is stored on central computer called database server. For example, we use network for sharing documents, images, photos, songs, and videos. You may have, if you have image, photos, or video, possible. For instance, even using mobile devices, we can exchange images or photos or songs or videos using extender or other types of applications. The other usage of network is communication. A network gives all users the ability to quickly communicate with each other, either using chatter or instant messaging service such as Skype, WhatsApp, Viber to send files and messages among the users, video conferencing, email, TV, and radio. Nowadays, thanks to the technology, why we establish a network for the case of communication. We can exchange information at a distance also. Being at any continent, possible to make a meeting, possible to make conferences, variety of conferences using network-based devices. We must have a network, then we must have the softwares and related devices. By using related devices, possible to make video conference, it's possible to make audio conference, and it's possible to make a meeting at a distance. Communication at a distance is called telecommunication. Tele means in Greek remote or far away, and communication is exchange of information. Exchange of information at a distance. Therefore, telecommunication is the exchange of information at a distance. The other usage of a network is sharing hardware. We have a network means it's possible to share hardware devices. Expensive hardware devices connected to a network can be shared among all users. For instance, if you have a printer in a specific network, a single printer can be used for 10 or 20 users because of the network. It's possible to share also hardware devices. It's possible to share storage devices such as hard disks that are shared on a storage server, which is also called network attached storage. Possible also to use cloud-based drives. Thanks to the technology, it's possible to share hardware. Printer which is attached and stored shared on a printer server, allows all network users to print from one printer according to their privilege, configured on the server by network administrator. If you have a single printer that enables you to change soft copy into hard copy over a network by establishing a network, then by connecting a printer to a particular computer, we can share to use this printer to all users over the network. And when the all users being at any network can change soft copy into hard copy. The other fax machines, scanners, more powerful computers such as supercomputers that can perform complex tasks within short period of time than a single computer will take to complete, it says. Variety of computers, variety of scanners, fax machines can be shared. The other advantage of network is it's possible to share software, not only sharing hardware, it's possible to share softwares, variety of softwares. If one of the computer misses a software, it's possible to share to use to the other computer that misses the software. Different application software and internet-based services can be shared over the network for all licensed users for the software. For instance, we can share software such as computer games and work internet-based services such as e-learning. When you say e-learning, it's possible to learn at a distance, being at any location without physically going to a school or college or university. We can train or we can learn our trainings. We can take our courses being at a distance. Possible to use softwares for the case of e-learning also. The other, transferring money. Thanks to the technology, it's possible to exchange, it's possible to buy or sell goods over a distance because of this network. And also, we have an exchange of money, transferring money, being at any location. Throughout the continent, it's possible to exchange money. Being connected to a secure network allows persons or business to digitally transfer money between banks and users. It says. How e-commerce is enabled, the selling or buying of goods over the internet. Because of this concept, it's possible to transfer money that we can exchange. Also, we can buy or sell goods over a distance also. This is about the advantage of a network. What about the disadvantage of networks? Beside the advantage, every technology has its own hindrances or limitations. Even though it has limitations, we cannot stop to use the technology because the advantage is highly over the disadvantage that we have to use the technology. It's a disadvantage, but we have to use the technology. Although there are many advantages to a network mentioned above, there are some disadvantages. What are the disadvantages of a network? First, virus and malware. Where they are produced, unnecessary programs, unwanted programs, harmful programs are virus. They are programs, but what type of programs? Harmful type of programs are virus or malware are the source of a network. Networks make sharing information between network users easy. When you share information, if the file is infected, the virus or malware can be spread to our system. Unfortunately, this also means that the virus and other malwares have an easier time spreading between computers on a network. Sometimes some softwares or applications are pop up without commanding by the user. They pop up and they display on the screen. We have no command to download. We have to only use the softwares from the right sources, from legal sources. Unless otherwise, our computer will affected by the virus. When we download the program, it hidden itself and it downloads to the system and it attacks the bootstraps of the computer hardware part, which is the hard disk. Then gradually the computer conflicts or corrupts and cannot boot. Therefore, we have to take care on the use of variety of softwares on variety of web-based services. There are viruses, there are malwares on the webs. And other disadvantage is vulnerability. When computers are connected to the network, it be accessible remotely. With this potential new methods of accessing the computer. Vulnerability means unauthorized users or hackers or brokers are available over the network. They hid themselves. We'll see briefly on computer security on chapter 5. There are variety of viruses that enables to hide themselves. Unauthorized users hide themselves and steal our data or secure information. Therefore, if our system is over the network, we have to take care. We have to protect. For instance, we have to check whether the firewall is on or not. It protects unauthorized users over the network, the firewall. By default, it is on. We have to check the status. That the other disadvantages, it is vulnerable to unauthorized users over the network. Because if we are in the network, especially in a wide area network means where our computer is connected with through the cloud or to the continent. What about complex? Networks are complex. It says, and setting up managing network for a business or corporation requires someone with a lot of experience or certification. Networks are complex to set up, to manage, to use the network by itself may not be easy. It should need a required experience band or profession band. To use and by itself it is complex, it says. And costly. Setting up, managing and administrating a network hardware and software incurs cost to organization building network. Nowadays, especially in 21st century, it may not be easy or cheap to establish and control the network system. It is costly. Social media effect on user and adults is obvious. Variety of networks that takes uses time. Variety of online games, social medias can take users time. Therefore, the social media effect on users and adults, particularly users, including students, waste their time on the use of social media and unsafe internet resources. It says. Therefore, what we have to take care is we have to focus on, we have to give attention more on academical purpose. IT is a means to learn other subjects. Information technology is a means to learn other subjects. We have to case for the case of academical purpose. We have to learn chemistry or laboratory works using YouTube videos. It's possible to use Google search and variety of search engines are available that we have to give more on our time on academical purpose. For today is enough. It is the end of Unit 2. Thank you. Motivate and support me by subscribing my channel.